Hello everyone, welcome to Technology Begins. In this video, we will learn about multiple assignments in Python. So let's start with it. So what are the multiple assignments? Multiple assignments in Python are Python allow us to assign a single value to the multiple variables. So let's take an example for it. If I have a variable a, b and c and I am assigning a value of integer to this variable, then we can assign like this to these three variable. So these are the multiple assignment, like we have assigned the single value to the multiple variable. If we are printing this variable, then it will give the same value as I have assigned. Okay, as you can see. And you can also assign multiple objects to the multiple variable also. So let's take example for it. If I have a variable a and b, and if I am assigning a value is 1 and another value is hello. So now for variable a there is an integer object, and for variable b there is an string object. Okay, and if we have to access those variable, then simply we can print this variable. Okay, and if we run this program, then it will give the value accordingly. And multiple assignments are also known as a tuple unpacking. Basically, in Python, parentheses are not required for tuple. So whenever we are declaring the variables like this 1 and 3, then at the lower level in Python, it will basically create a tuple for this, and it will assign the value according to this. So basically A's value will be 1 and B will be 3. So it will work like this at the lower level while we are using multiple assignments. Okay, so these both are the same thing. In Python we don't need to add the parenthesis, or we don't need to define the tuple. It will manage accordingly in Python. Okay, and multiple assignments are more frequently used with a tuple, and we can also use with the iterator. Like if we have a list like this 1 2, then also you can access the values of that list like this. If we are running this program, so as you can see, there is a value of a is 1 and value of b is 2. So multiple assignments are also work with the iterator. And if you are assigning, string is also iteratable. So if I am adding this high, and if I am printing a and print b, then it will individually print h and I. So let's run this program, and as you can see, it will individually run h and I. So these are the multiple assignment, and this is the use of that. So you can assign the multiple values to the multiple variable, or single values to the multiple variable also. Okay, and if you want to swap the values of a and b, then you can simply write b comma a. So your variables value will be swapped. If our a and b value is 1 and 2 respectively, and if I am doing b comma a, and after that if I am print a and print b, then that value are swapped. Okay, so let's run this program, and as you can see our values are swapped. So you can perform swap operation like this also. So I hope you are understand this multiple assignment concept. See you in the next video. Thank you.